Hi and welcome to VLOGEO channel. Today we will be reviewing the Avari Express in Lahore Gulberg. I thought why not try a nice 4-star hotel in Gulberg in the middle of the city where we can walk everywhere. So this seemed like it had the best reviews, and I know Avari from other hotels in Karachi and Lahore, the main ones, they're quite good. So let's check this out. So let's start from the lobby. This is the lobby area. It's quite small but long at the same time. There is some seating. Yeah, it's not bad, I would say. Okay. So yeah, now we will go from the lobby to the lift area where we can go to our room. So आप देख सकते हैं बहुत जगह तो है बैठने की बहुत, ठीक है. तो ये है lift. They have 3 lifts, so it does get busy in the mornings when there's a lot of people in the building. और ये है 15th floor, and you can see it's basic. It's not something like wow, but it's clean. You know, it's basic and clean. That's the most important thing. It's basic, clean, and it's still modern. It's not old school. It's still nice to walk through. You don't feel like, oh, wherever I come is nice. And this is our room. So we got the room that has the lounge. I think it's called the premium room, as far as I remember. And this is the room that has a lounge and a bedroom and another bathroom for the guests if they do come and sit and visit. And that also has a shower as well, which is handy. So you can put an extra bed here if you want in this lounge. If you have like 2 kids or even an adult, I believe they might allow it. And this is the main room. And the main room's very big. It has a nice double-sized bed. It's got a lot of seating area with the sofas, and we can also put a rollaway bed there, as you can see. So you can have like 3 kids actually stay in this room or more. So you can put a rollaway bed maybe in that lounge and one here. So yeah, it's a very nice spacious room. I was very happy about that. And it also has a TV, and it had 2 windows, so there's brightness coming from 2 ways and 2 different views, which is nice. They also give this nice little lobby room to keep your luggage, so it's, you know, kept away, all the mess in that room. Just keep your suitcases open in there, which I like. That's a good idea. I wish more hotels had that actually. It's quite good. Let's see. Yeah, so you got the sofas here, you can move about. For some reason this building is built weird. It's got these pillars everywhere in the middle that just stick out of nowhere. Oh well. So this is the view you get from the sofas where we're sitting, as you can see. So that was the outside, and this is from the inside. So it's a nice view of the main Gulberg. See how busy it is. And this was the other view, the second view option from the bed, the rollaway bed. So when you wake up, you can open the curtains, and that's what you see right there. So not complaining, very nice. I can see Lahore. So yeah, you get your standard water bottles, kettle, tea, coffee. You also get a nice locker box security to keep your passports, money away. Yeah, you can put your clothes away, spacious, nice and neat and clean. So happy with that. And you have your main, you know, your customer service. So you can reach straight away from your bed, notes. You got the British plug, so your English plug. You can plug in your 3-pin if you wish. I believe you can plug in a 2-pin. It's all rounder, which is good. Let's head to the bathroom. Yeah, the bathroom was nice. Again, basic but clean. Yeah, it's not your 5-star wow, but it's basic and clean. It's not good for the price. You know, I was paying around, I would say £90 per room for a night, I believe. Yeah, which is very good. And this is what I expected. You know, it's like a Premier Inn. You know, like a Premier Inn or Travel Inn in England. That's what you get, basic but clean. But you get all your amenities, so like soaps, creams, etc., shower gel. Yeah, pretty much everything really, which is good. Get your sockets where you're charging your toothbrush, or if you want to attach your hairdryer or something. Yeah, go ahead, it's all there. So you got your basics handy and ready to go really. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Yeah, this was the lounge. So we really found this lounge handy. So we used to have a lot of my cousins come over and stay till late night. We just order teas and stuff like that, snacks, and just chill here. Got McDonald's down the road as well if you wanted to get a delivery, or you can go collect it and just chill out here all night. It was really good. So if you wanted to sleep, the kids, they could go in that room and sleep, not disturb anyone. And these lounge guests had their own like bathroom as well, so they can go use, which was good. It's nice. Every day you used to get fruit from Avari Express. I really like that. Which is good. And this was the menu that you could order over the phone and deliver to your room, which was great. Reasonable prices, and good, quite good service. Yeah. So yeah, as you can see, we ordered ironing board as well, so we kept our ironing board there throughout our stay. We stayed there for like 10 days. Yeah, this is the second bathroom for the guests, or if you have a rollaway bed or anyone else wants to use it. As you can see, there are massive pillars in the way again in the shower. So they built the shower within that pillar inside, which is quite funny, but cool in a way because it's something different, you know. Again, you got all your soaps and shower gels, etc. All the basics that you need. Very clean. The water was nice. The pressure was nice. Hot water is good. No complaints there. So and we stayed here in February, so it was quite cold. So we needed the hot water, which was good. This is my kid enjoying himself.
I'm loving Basant at Avari Express.
Yeah, that's it. Loving Basant at Avari. Yeah. So let's head our way to breakfast. It was quite nice actually. I was quite shocked when I came to this floor. It seemed even more modern. I wish the hallways were like that. It was really nice. So we went to the breakfast in the Raj restaurant. Found it nice and bright. And it's very big actually for a breakfast area. It's quite large. For a 4-star, you actually get really good breakfast there. You get live halwa puri, you get all your juices, you get lassi. I mean, look at this. You don't go and traveling or premium in England and get these kind of food for a 4-star hotel, if you know what I mean. It's really good. I really enjoyed that. I was really pleased with that, you know, for the price, for the room, and you know, this was really good. Yeah, and you get like an omelette station. She can make all your eggs, whatever you need, whichever one, spicy, non-spicy, Pakistani omelette, eggs, whatever you need. And then you had your cereals here, your toast, your breads, your cakes, etc., all on this side. And look, there's loads of space, and I like it that it's spaced out, so you're not in anyone's way. It's really, really nice, this Raj restaurant. I really liked it. We enjoyed having breakfast here, especially the halwa puri. I loved it. It was fresh. And the omelette station, yeah, handy. And the masala tea, oh yeah, bang on for me. I loved it. This is the halwa puri station. So as soon as you tell the guy to make it, he'll make it there for you fresh. We already ordered some, so I couldn't record it for you in the video. Sorry guys. But yeah, you've got everything. Look, everything's hot, everything's burning up. It's really good. I can't complain. No complaints at all. For you gym lovers, there's also a gym there just after breakfast. You can hit the gym. It's not bad. It's small, but it's got, you know, the basics, I think. Got your treadmills and stuff, your weights, you know. So at least it has one, and it's quite clean. Not as busy, but yeah, it's there if you need it. So yeah guys, that is the Avari Xpress Lahore Gulberg.